This is our walk around on the green Jeep Wagoneer, one of the prettiest cars we've ever done. You can see the quality of the work. See how straight the body is on the sides with the new wood grain, the new paint. Now we're coming around to the back, and you can see here how everything is just lined up pretty as can be. We're gonna unlock, put down the back window, which you can see works. You can see the detail work on this car, how pretty this automobile is. Now, you can look down the sides on this and see how straight it is, how great the paint is. We did a color change on this, and the color change, I got to say, is the way to have gone. Instead of going with the white cream that used to be on this green is just beautiful. You can see how all the woodwork lines up on this. Now, see the hood, the paint on it, how it shines. Luckily, right now we've got a little sun. It's been cloudy most of the day. Now we're going to walk around the front. You can see how the front of it looks. Now you can also see down the sides how straight. Now we're going to go inside and we're going to turn the car on so you can listen to it run. And see the interior, how beautiful it is. See how quiet that engine is? Now we're going to look under the hood. Hear how quiet? Now you can really hear how quiet it is. New engine, new fuel injection, belts, and a lot of other parts. But what makes the difference of it being quiet is the hood insulation. It keeps the heat from coming from the engine to the top of the hood there and hurting the paint, but also too it keeps it quiet. You can see how well it's detailed under the hood, but how quiet she is. Now we're going to go back over here. Now we're going to show how the windows work. Passenger side. Back doors. See the windows work? Now also too, we saw how the window worked from the outside. Now we can see the rear window, how it works from the inside. Works just perfect. Now the door locks do not work. As you can see, we're trying to get new switches for that. Now, while the car is in here, you can see the inside of the car, how everything looks, Headliner. The seats. Inside the doors, but see the new rubber all the way around for the doors. It's got complete new window wipes on the outside all the way around. Now inside here we have some touch-up paint, and this is the computer that runs the fuel injection system. That's where you can reprogram it and reset it if you need to. You can see the interior in this car. It is just absolutely beautiful. Now while we're here, show you the back on it and everything, the new carpet on the tailgate. Also too, on the sides, new carpet in the floors everywhere. We'll go to the back doors right here. You can see the seats again. We'll do another on the back here where you can see inside where everything's at. Interior light, the way it works, this overhead. Now we're going to show you that the seats work. Armrest. It holds up the way it's supposed to, and then comes back down. Now we're going to go back around here to where the driver's seat was at. Show you that it works. The tilts work on it. All the vents, everything's there. This is just one beautiful driving and riding car. Now I'm going to come out a little bit where you can see it now. The sun finally came out to where you can see more of the car. Isn't that car just beautiful? Now, wheels, the tires, everything there. And there's about 95% of the tread on these tires, which you can see. We tried polishing up the wheels as good as we could, and I think they turned out pretty good. Now I'm going to come back and let you look at it a little more, because I'm going to take advantage of this sun right now. All right. Thank you. Today is March 21st. It is 12:25. Thank you.